Hi, in today's video, I'm sharing with you the 10 apps that I use to run my business. Many of these apps are free or very low cost, and they're going to help you keep track of your clients, your to-do list, your appointments, and also your budget. Hi, I'm professional organizer Katherine Lawrence. I help you live a life with less clutter so you can focus on the things that truly matter. The first app is LastPass. And I use this basically every day. And I also recommend this to my clients, especially if they're setting up a digital organizing system and you're going to need logins to lots of different websites like your bank or your insurance company. LastPass is essential for keeping track of all of those passwords. And this is a very low cost password manager. And it will save you tons of time looking for passwords when you are trying to just get through your day and keep everything organized. The second app that I use is Hubspot. Now this is for keeping track of your clients and also activities that you had with your clients, whether it's an appointment or a phone call or some type of interaction such as emailing. Now, I've used other customer databases in the past, like Insightly or Nutshell, and they cost about $15 a month. And HubSpot is absolutely free, and it does everything that I need it to do. The third app that I use on a regular basis and also recommend to my clients is Trello. Now, if you've seen some of my other videos, you know that I'm doing my action plans for my clients in Trello. And it is a project management tool. It's a task management tool. It can just help you keep track of anything that you're trying to accomplish, whether it's a big project or just some simple to-dos. The fourth app is Evernote. I love Evernote. Evernote helps you remember everything. So any little scraps of paper that have any data on them or just something that you're trying to remember or keep track of, you can take a picture and scan that very easily into Evernote. I use this for business cards. I use this for client information or some type of reference, anything I'm trying to keep track of that I don't want to keep in paper form so that I have access to it at all times. Evernote is the answer. There is a basic version of Evernote that is free. I use a little upgraded version. I want to say it's less than $10 a month. I know that. So a little bit of an expense, but you can definitely start using Evernote at no cost. The fifth app is Calendly. I may be saying that wrong. It's spelled Calendly. And this allows my clients to schedule their own appointments online. I absolutely love this app. I think I pay about $10 to $15 a month for it, but it saves me hours of time texting or emailing or calling my clients to book appointments because they can just look at my schedule, see what times are available, and book their own appointments. And then it will put that appointment on my Google Calendar and also send me an email and a reminder to the customer that they have an appointment. You can also charge the client for the appointment or a deposit towards the appointment, which really helps in managing cancellation fees. My next favorite app is called Mileage IQ, and this allows me to keep track of all of my business mileage from when I leave my home office to when I go and visit my clients in their homes. For me, this is a tax-deductible expense, and I am able to keep track of hundreds of dollars that otherwise would be very difficult for me to track with a pen and paper method. Mileage IQ is a couple of dollars a month, or you can pay an annual fee. And for tracking those tax-deductible expenses, it is well worth it. App number 7 is Intuit QuickBooks. I use the online version, and this is your accounting software. This allows you to invoice your customers. It allows you to send receipts via email. I use it for my merchant services, so I'm able to charge clients for services simply by using my smartphone. And I also use it to run payroll for my business. And of course, it keeps track of your daily expenses, and you'll be able to do a profit and loss statement for your business at the end of the year. QuickBooks is probably the app I paid the most for, but I've looked at some of the numbers and it's actually cheaper for me to use QuickBooks than to hire a bookkeeper. And I think their fees are fairly reasonable based on all of the service that they provide. Okay, the 8th app that I use and recommend is Dropbox. Now, Dropbox is free. You can pay to get more storage, but you can get quite a bit of storage for free. And Dropbox is cloud storage for all of your documents. Anything that is important for me to archive, such as taxes or contracts, all of that is going to be held in Dropbox, so I can access that from my tablet, from my smartphone, or my computer. As I've mentioned in other videos, I do a lot of scanning of my business documents, and Dropbox is the storage location for those scanned documents. And the last set of apps that I use just all the time and is free unless you pay for extra storage is the Google Suite. This includes Google Docs, Gmail, and Calendar. Now, what I love about Gmail is they have this feature where you can snooze your emails. So I can go through my email inbox and decide if there is an email that I want to deal with later. I can snooze that and have it come back into my inbox a week later, or I can set a custom date. I love Google Calendar because it syncs up with other apps like my scheduling app, and I can keep track of all of my appointments. And Google Docs is fantastic for creating documents on the fly, and then also there's a good bit of cloud storage that is included with your free account. So what apps do you use to keep your business organized? I'd love to hear about it in the comments below, and please subscribe for more tips on downsizing, decluttering, and the business of organizing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.